Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on egg bites recipe, a very quick and easy egg snacks that can be prepared at any time. I've taken 2 eggs for this, 3 tablespoons of grated carrot, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onions and 1 green chili, that too finely chopped. You may also add capsicum or any veggies that goes good with egg. Salt as per your taste, red chili powder and pepper powder as required. Oil for frying. At first take the veggies and add in the salt and the spices. Add 2 eggs to this and beat the egg with the help of a fork. Whisk the egg well until the egg mix is ready. Now our egg mix is ready. Let's fry it. I am using my paniyaram mold for this. Fill all the cavity with a little oil. Now add the egg mix in each cavity. Drizzle some oil on the top. You may also sprinkle some extra pepper powder or chili powder for extra spice if required. Now flip it over and cook in the other side. This recipe is great to be had as an evening snacks or a side dish for rice. Once you have cooked on the other side, transfer it to a plate and your egg bites are ready to be served. Hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please subscribe to House to Home. Thanks for watching House to Home.